To create a new user, go to the Users section. Click Add a User. Fill in the required fields. You can either set a password manually or click Generate Password. Optionally, fill in any additional details. When you're ready, click Save. The new user is now created. To give a user permissions, click Add Access. Next, select the entity type. Choose the client and select the user you want to give permissions to. Choose the appropriate permissions. If a user is responsible for setting up drying or hardening calculations, make sure to grant the additional permission under the Select Global Privilege section. To grant these permissions, you must also have the corresponding access rights yourself. Permissions can be modified. You can also edit the user's details